We are constantly being advised that the Egyptian military has the situation under control. However, as the situation develops, it becomes increasingly apparent that there is something wrong with the picture. The military and the media assure us that the wedding between the generals and the masses will proceed as scheduled. However, there seems to be a lot of danger signs on the horizon. Iran sailing through the Suez, sending a message of who may be trying to gain power during this chaos. Silver has broken out on this crisis, and what we're seeing here is that the spread of revolution is going on throughout the Middle East and Northeast Africa. And sometimes revolutions never play out according to script. In Russia, the Tsar was overthrown only to be replaced by the Bolsheviks. In Germany, during the Weimar Republic, it was the Nazis. During the Iranian Revolution, instead of the Shah, we got the mullahs. And recently, in Lebanon, we recently had an election where the Hezbollah group, a known terrorist organization, has won democratic support. So what is to be the future role of the military in Egypt that has, for the past 30 years, played a crucial behind-the-scenes role in preserving its own vast business interests? The situation with the Suez remains in flux, and we're going to see soon what side the military's hand, who are their allies. This morning, the newspaper said the military has already begun taking steps to protect the privileges of its gated economy that are crucial if Egypt is to emerge as a stable and prosperous country. There's a lot of headlines that we need to be aware of, and the situation and turmoil, restlessness, and upheaval. What do they mean to us as investors? And the message cannot be clearer. Precious metals are assuming a more salient role as time goes by. It's interesting to note that when the tyrants depart, such as Ben Ali in Tunisia and Mubarak's son, they were reported to have carried off large amounts of gold and silver. And this trend is going on throughout the Middle East. People are running in. There's a strong demand of physical gold and silver, and this is driving up prices and mining stocks. Precious metals are going to remain a viable store of wealth and a quasi-currency, especially if the riots begin turning violent. Already there are reports in Bahrain where the protesters were fired upon. So silver has broken out of a 6-week consolidation here into new highs and is currently showing incredible relative strength. This morning, silver made an ascending triple top breakout in the point and figure chart at $31, which is a key level and confirmed breakout. We can definitely see a major leg higher here, as you can see that it made a cup here where it shook out a lot of the investors, and we saw a reversal here at the end of January, along with gold and the miners, as situations with Egypt, as I reported, started, and in Tunisia started to take hold. And we've seen this past month, since the Egypt revolution and turmoil across the Middle East, what silver and gold prices have done. So gold showing similar strength as it broke the 50-day moving average to the upside, and miners that in January, in miners, gold and silver reached oversold levels not seen in more than a year. Now many of the bears who sold out and expected a steeper correction are having their moment, and they're gonna start running back, trying to get on their hands on physical gold and silver ETFs as they run into new high territory. This is the perfect storm for precious metals investors, and that is why I would like for you to try my premium service trial at http://goldstocktrades.com. Thank you, and have a great weekend.